In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view archived tasks in ClickUp. If you manage a lot of projects or simply need to reference work you've finished, knowing how to quickly surface archived items is incredibly handy. Archiving in ClickUp keeps your workspace tidy by moving completed or set-aside tasks out of your active views without deleting any of their data. You can still open them, review context, and use them for reporting or audits whenever you need. We'll keep this simple and efficient. Start inside your ClickUp workspace on the Overview page within your team space. The Overview area gives you a central snapshot of what's happening and is a great jumping-off point for search. From here, you're only a couple of clicks from everything you've archived. Next, open Search. Look for the search field or the magnifying glass icon that's prominently placed in the interface. Clicking it opens ClickUp's Global Search, which scans across your entire workspace. This is where you'll do all the filtering to zero in on archived items. Global Search is powerful because it lets you find information across locations, so you don't have to remember exactly which list or folder a task lived in. Once the search panel is open, choose the option labeled All. This view aggregates results across content types, such as tasks, docs, and other items, ensuring nothing is inadvertently excluded at the start. Selecting All is helpful even if you ultimately only care about tasks, because it confirms you're seeing the widest possible set of results before you narrow them down. If your workspace is large, this step alone can save time by eliminating guesswork. With the search results visible, look for the filter icon, often represented as an upside-down pyramid or funnel. Click that to reveal the filter controls. Filters are where ClickUp really shines, giving you precise tools to slice through the noise. The filter drawer typically includes toggles and options that refine results by attributes like status, location, assignment, and in our case, archive state. Inside the filter options, locate the control labeled Archived. This is the key to the entire workflow. Selecting Archived tells ClickUp to limit results only to items that have been archived. Think of it as switching your search from everything to the library of finished work. The moment you enable that filter, your results will refresh to show only archived records. At this point, you're viewing archived items. You can scan the list to find exactly what you need. Clicking any result opens it, letting you review details like descriptions, checklists, attachments, comments, and activity history. All of that context remains intact, even though the task is no longer in your active pipeline. This is especially